Hey guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make a beautiful buttercream with the cheapest margarine in the market. Yes, this is a low budget buttercream video. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, please click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free just for you to get a lot of my newest video. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Ingredients for this buttercream: you need your margarine, this icing sugar. This is 1 kg, but I'll be using 500. That's half of this icing sugar. That's 500 grams. I'll be using 250 grams of margarine. I'm using King's butter. Feel free to use any margarine of your choice. I'll be using King's margarine for this recipe. This is a low budget recipe, so feel free to use any margarine. I'll be using a teaspoon of vanilla flavor and also water. First, you have to sieve out your icing sugar. It's important you sieve your icing sugar to avoid lumps. So like I said before, I'll be using 500 grams, so I'll be dividing this into 2. So feel free to measure out 500 grams if you wish, but me, I just want to divide it straight and sieve it out. Okay, I'm done sieving my icing sugar. Right now, I'll open my King's margarine and start creaming. This quantity of buttercream I'm trying to make now is the one I'll be using to cover the low budget cake, that vanilla cake I made earlier. So if you have not watched that video, it's good you go back and watch my low budget vanilla cake so that you will know the size of cake that this quantity of buttercream will be very okay for you to cover it to cream my butter. So if you don't have a hand mixer, please feel free to use your spatula, your turning stick to cream your margarine. And it's very important you cream your margarine for a long time till it's looking pearl before you start adding your icing sugar, so that your buttercream will come out beautiful. And if you want to convert it to white buttercream, if you do this, cream it for a longer time before adding your icing sugar, just a few drops of white color will turn your buttercream to a whiter one. Right now you can see the color is already looking pearl. I'm very okay with this color. I'm okay, super okay with it. So right now I'll stop creaming and I'll start adding my icing sugar bit by bit as I mix it together. But right now I will not be using my mixer again to mix. I'll just be using my spatula. If you're using turning stick, you can just be using your turning stick. But right now you don't need to be very fast. You don't need to be mixing it fast, but you just need to take it slow and steady as you're incorporating the icing sugar. Adding half teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and you continue creaming. Adding 2 tablespoons of water, and you mix together. Keep mixing little at a time. Keep mixing little at a time. Slow and steady. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Like I said before, subscription is free just for you to be getting a lot of my newest video. And don't forget to like this video. Feel free to comment and also feel free to ask questions. You can say our buttercream is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all.